welcome back to Nairobi Kitchen. If you're new here, you're very welcome. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for the love. And on to today's recipe, we'll be making a very refreshing, delicious drink that is the Virgin Mojito, that is going to be able to give you that refreshing cooling effect anytime that there's a hot weather. So Nairobi has been a bit hot and this is just the perfect drink for you. So let's make it. The Virgin Mojito recipe is pretty straightforward. We just need a few ingredients. So what you're going to be able to need are 4 limes cut into quarters, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 8 to 10 mint leaves that are fresh. So what you're going to do is just take a rolling pin and muddle the ingredients in the glass. That is, we have the mint leaves, the sugar and the lime wedges. This is going to help to remove all the flavors to be able to be infused into the drink. Don't muddle the mint leaves too much, since you're going to get particles in your drink and it's going to bring out the bitter taste of the mint leaves. You just want to bring out the flavor and not the bitter taste. So next we'll be adding the ice cubes into the glass, and you can have the whole ice cubes or you can crush depending on what you like. Next we'll be adding some lemon slices into the drink, which will add even more extra flavor. And then next we'll be adding your club soda, which is going to give you that bubbly, fizzy feeling when you take the Virgin Mojito, which is the best part of this drink. Now use a spoon to mix all the ingredients, making sure that the sugar at the bottom is dissolved and every ingredient has come together. And there we have it. The Virgin Mojito is ready to be enjoyed. Refreshing, very tasty and very filling too. So thanks guys for watching. Thanks for staying throughout this whole video. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Leave me a comment and I'll be able to give you back the love. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.